Okay, let's talk about some cones. When we talk about cones, we are looking for a solid with a single circular base. I'm just going to write up here. And it has one vertex. That's it. So here is our circular base. And again, because it is a circular base, we have all of the features of a circle in there. We have the center. We have the radius. If they gave us the distance all the way across our base, that would be the diameter. And remember, diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. The other part of our cone is just like it was in the pyramid. We have a height of the cone. The height of the cone goes from the center of the circle to the vertex. When we talk formulas, we are going to use the same formula that we did for the pyramid. Volume is still 1/3 of the base times the height. But because we're dealing with a cylinder, or a cone, we only have one option for the shape of our base. Because we only have one option, we can be more specific with our formula. We're going to keep the 1/3. And we can write this as 1/3 times the area of the circle times the height. Once we have it in words, it's easy to translate into math. Area of the circle is pi times the radius squared times the height of the cone. So let's go use it. Let's go find our first victim. Here's a cone. It's upside down, but it's still a cone. So I see my base. I know it's up in the air, but it's still a base because it's the circle. Now they give me diameter of the base. They give me all the way across. If I cut it in half, that means the radius is going to be 1 kilometer. The height of my cone goes from the center of the base to the vertex and makes a right angle. So the height of my cone is going to be 3 kilometers. And I'm ready for my formula. We'll use 3.14 for pi. I'm going to fill in my other pieces. I know radius is 1 kilometer. And I know that height is 3 kilometers. If you need the calculator, go right ahead. Absolutely. Open up Desmos Scientific and plug it in. I'm going to talk you through my train of thought when multiplying something like this. I know that 1/3 of 3 is equal to 1. Times 1 is still just 1. Times 3.14 is 3.14. Now I think the directions said to round to the nearest tenth. So the tenths place is that first place behind the decimal. That means we're going to take a look at the 4. 4 is less than 5, so the 1 stays just like it is. So we're going to do 3.1, and we were measuring in kilometers. So this is going to be kilometers cubed for the volume. Let's go see if we can find another cone. Nope, that was the only cone on there. That's a little disappointing. Okay, well that is the end of the cones. In the next video, the last video, we will pick up the sphere.